startup vibes or brick and mortar thinking? What your office entrance says about your innovation mindset? This is a wonderful topic for today, and it is interestingly that this has really been a trendy matter for every startup complaint that most times when they enter into their tech compound or their tech environment, you are actually disappointed or you are surprised on the type of brick you are stepping on. Now, before we dive into this exciting topic for today, I want to let you all know that if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I repeat, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'm pleading with you, please support my work and subscribe now to this YouTube channel. Support my work and subscribe now to this YouTube channel. Once again, let's move into the topic.
So you are building the future of AI, but your entrance office look like a 1920s textile factory. Hmm. We talk about disrupting industries, but can't even disrupt entryway design. Are you a startup or a speakeasy? I'm just asking for the Series A investors. See these bricks. They are screaming. We peaked in the Industrial Revolution. We optimize every backend system except the one you work on. But their entrance look like the setting for a Sherlock Holmes murder mystery. Finally, let me ask you, after all has been said, after all you have heard, after all you have consumed, what does brick floors really says to you? Does it mean timeless states? Does it mean we peaked in Web 1.0? Does the startup, is it trying to look active or is just trying not to sleep? Use the comment section below and tell us, what does a brick floors, what does it mean to you? What message does it pass to you? What do you feel about it being used in the entrance of these tech companies? You have heard from me. Let's hear from you. Thank you for subscribing once again.